We're on our way to Azusa. We're gonna meet up with some homies. Nor from last video, he's still in town, so we're gonna meet up with him and all his boys. We're gonna hit Azusa Canyon because they've never been to a canyon out here, and I think the best way to show them a nice canyon is Azusa Canyon. I've been here plenty of times in the vlog, so I'm gonna try to make it interesting for you guys. I brought the GoPro with me, and I brought the big camera with me, and we got the vlog camera with me. So we have all the cameras out today. We should make some pretty cool content. And also, a lot of people have been wondering and asking me, how is it driving with the new steering wheel that I got? Yes, it's a little weird, but it drives sick. Like, it makes me feel like I'm not even driving an M3. Like I'm freaking driving a Batmobile. The GoPro with me, so maybe we can film like a little point of view video. I also have not done one of those videos in a very long time, so here we go, guys. Point of view footage in the canyon with the new steering wheel. And before we get too far into the video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100K subscribers. We're almost there, and I think I want to do a giveaway at 100,000 subscribers. So let me know some ideas of what I could give away. I don't know, maybe buy my new car at 100,000 subscribers. I don't know, but I want to do something big at 100,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button, please. I spot a wild 435. Damn, look at that Need for Speed right here. What's up? All right, guys, we're ready. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Are you ready or no?
I'm not ready to die.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Here we go. Azusa Canyon. Dude, it's so loud now.
That's crazy.
He's laughing because I have the GoPro in my mouth, guys. A lot of people ask me, like, how do you mount the GoPro? It's literally in my mouth because it's like perfect height. It's so loud up in here, dude. It just echoes through the canyons. Bro, the steering wheel looks so crazy on the camera.
Yeah.
It's insane. Come on, truck. Get out my way. There's a tree all the way on the top. If we could take this road all the way up, there's a tree and everybody does donuts around it. So maybe I could try to do it up there.
That's sick.
It's crazy, yeah. I'll try it, maybe. Damn, he's coming on. Bro, funny story. I took my friend for a ride in the canyon once, and he threw up, bro. I swear, I'm not even kidding. In my M3, not in there. Like, I had a bag. Thank God, bro. I had a bag in the back seat, and he was like, "Bro, I think I'm gonna throw up." And there was nowhere to turn out. Like, it was a really weird canyon, so he threw up in my car, bro. Funny story. Car sick or something. Don't throw up in my car. Bro, I would love to put this GoPro like on my bumper so I can see the flames. One day we gotta do that. I don't know if I trust it though.
Right?
I feel like I'll lose my GoPro with my luck. Was it loud? Was it shooting flames?
Dude, it's so loud, it's sick, dude.
It's crazy. Look, we met another homie. What's up? No way.
That's why you guys fought.
I saw you going down. What's up, man? How are you? What's up, dude? Nick, nice to meet you guys. Thank you.
I saw it shooting flames.
What's up, dude?
It's good, bro.
You guys remember this dude from the last video?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Tell the cool guy.
No, how does the bags handle?
Oh, it handles great.
You guys good on? It's not bad, bro. Yeah. People think it's bad, but dude, bags aren't that bad. I mean, obviously, if we had like a nice coilover setup, it would probably handle better, but it's not bad. It's definitely not horrible as people think it seems. Yeah, that's what I need to do, bro. Woo.
Not bad. You do this often?
That's sick, dude. Me and Noah on bags in the canyon, bro. As we got the heater on, but we got the windows down. It probably makes no sense, but I want to hear the car, but I also want to stay warm. It's kind of annoying, huh?
I mean, it sounds good.
It sounds good, but it does get annoying sometimes. Oh my god. Is it fun?
Bro, it's so much fun. Dude, I would do this every day if Cash wasn't a factory.
I know, dude. Go in my car, bro. Bro, you need tires to get back down. Oh my god, dude. That's crazy. Bro.
I'll do it next. I'll do it next. You ready?
Have you ever done donuts?
No.
Oh no.
Oh god, it's over.
No, don't go off that cliff. That's all. Look at that view, bro.
Alright guys, so basically I've never drifted bags before, so we're gonna try.
Guys, I don't think Noah's ever done a donut, so hopefully this goes well. Maybe I could give him a little quick rundown. See the 435 do some donuts. Okay. Oh. Damn. That's not bad. Oh shit, dude, that would look so crazy. That is sick, dude.
So good.
First time doing donuts, bro, that was hard. Holy shit, Nor. That is hard. But I know, bro, I think Nor plays a lot of too much Forza or something. I don't know. Bro, look at all this smoke. Oh my god.
Next turn.
I don't know if I can, bro. That was good, Nor. Bro, that was not bad actually, I swear. You play a lot of Forza, huh? Alright guys, I'm gonna attempt to do it with the steering wheel. Wish me luck. Bro, I don't know if I could, I swear. I wasn't even touching it, I was just letting the car do itself.
That was good.
That was funny. I was like I was just letting it do it myself. I don't know, that's about it for today. I would do more, guys, but you guys know I love doing donuts. I do it all the time, but I don't trust these tires. We gotta get back home. It's not bad actually with that wheel.
It's not?
Bad, like I was doing it and just letting the car kind of flow itself. All right, let's take a couple photos of both the cars. It's like perfect time. very top. Woo, the McLaren, dude. That's all I wanted to come up here for. That's hard. There's like a whole car meet up here. I don't know who they are, but look at this view, dude. Holy crap. Check this lineup out. Oh my god, bro. 720S. I bet you this thing just glides through the canyon. Like, I swear, you probably could get to the bottom in like 10 minutes. Let's get one.
I can't afford that.
Which one would you guys take, guys, out of all these? We got those two, our Beamers, that Beamer, and all these cars. If you couldn't pick the McLaren, because I know a lot of people are going to want to pick the McLaren. Butterfly doors, bro, for sure.
Butterfly doors. Mob out with them?
If you want.
Let's go mob out. Gotta go now then. Oh, my ears, dude. Bro, my ears.
Did it shoot flames?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print. I got a lot of songs, where the fuck is your head? It goes for anyone that ever doubted.